Want to see something scary? They're pretty with the light on. Maybe that's why they're so dark. And actually, I've seen worse. This is nothing. Let me get outside. There's my camp spot. And leaving Fullhardt Knob Shelter. The others have piled on down the mountain because they want pulled pork. I'm not as excited about pulled pork, so I'll be there and get my soda and something tasty. But we're heading to Daleville today. 5 miles downhill, and food, and motel, and showers, and all that good stuff. Look, ruins. Happy trails! Uh-huh. Heading to town, thoughts that go through your mind. What kind of food am I going to get? What kind of drink am I going to get? You just start craving carbonation. Food and drink probably are the first two things that you think about. And then getting cleaned up. Well, it's the first two things I think about. And then getting cleaned up. And usually town is downhill. And I always try to make it a short day. So today is only 5 miles. So it's just a happy, carefree day. No worries. And you know that good stuff waits on the other end. But I think it's the going without for so long when we're out that makes it so enticing. And that's what the conversation revolves around. What are you going to get? What are you going to get? Now, the worst is when you get all psyched up for something and it's not there. An example of that is I was hiking the Florida Trail with my good friend Bareback Hanger, and we were coming into a place back then. You know, we didn't have gut hooks or anything, but it had like lots of little streets. So we thought we were coming into a town, and we'd been out for several days. And it was hot, even though it was I think this was a winter hike, but it was, you know, it can be hot in the winter. And we were just talking about, oh, when we get there, we're going to get a soda, we're going to get French fries. I always want French fries too. And that's all we talked about, like probably for 2 days before we got there. Well, when we got there, we realized that it was a laid out subdivision with just a handful of houses. It was not a town. It was not there wasn't even a convenience store. It was nothing. That was probably the biggest letdown I've ever had. Another example is back at Middle Creek Campground. They had milkshakes advertised on their board. But when we asked about ice cream, and I could take it or leave it, so it didn't matter, but was kind of looking forward to a strawberry milkshake. But they don't order ice cream after Labor Day. So we were initially told no cheeseburgers. So, but they were able to thaw some out for us, so they fed us well. Anyway, and the biscuits and gravy were to die for. So thoughts of food and cleanliness. Sad thing about going downhill to town is we work so hard to get here. And we're just going back down. And then usually when you come out of town, it's a hike up. But anyway, that's what you do with the mountains. You go up and down. Today it's just lovely up here. It didn't rain last night. It was supposed to. So, Daleville. Here we go. So, whenever you see a hill like that, and we're going kind of in that direction, that means you're going to climb it. But there's no ups this morning that I recall. So maybe we're not going that way. And we're still going this way. Very easy walk. And you can see the mountains off in the distance. As you're walking down, of course, I know as we get lower, we'll lose that view. We're actually losing it now. So regarding the mountain, the hill that I said, looks like we're headed that way. Yes, we are. We're on it right now. But it's basically just walking us around it, not up it. So that's nice. So we'll probably go around the other side and head on down or wind on down. But yeah, it's not that big of a hill. Looked big coming up. They always look bigger than they are. Unless you're going up, up, up. And then you feel every bit of it. This is an unexpected pleasure. A view. I thought we were going down and views were done, but check this out. And if I'd have stopped halfway up it, there's a little pond over there by that farmhouse. It's 360 degrees up here of viewing. So we just came from that direction I just showed you. And we're going to be going that way. Check out this view. We're probably less than 2 miles away from Daleville right now. So, we're going to go that way.